New belt for Charlotte. She hasn't got any trousers on to put it on.
I have got trousers on. I have got shorts on, it just might not look like it. I have actually got some on. Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are doing another beach clean and we're doing it along the coast from Ackergill, and in the background you can see Noss Head, so it's a beach that's in between, and we've actually got warm-ish weather. Still a bit windy, but yeah, we're making the most of it. We're getting out and we'll see what we find.
These pieces of rope are always so deep in the sand.
They are, they're like buried.
Can't get them out.
I know. I'm not sure I'll pick that one up. There's a tyre over there as well.
Dodgy grabber. Plastic wine bottle or something?
It does look like a plastic wine bottle.
My grabber is definitely dodgy. These things are annoying because not only do they kill things in the sea, which is their job, like lobsters and seafood and stuff, which is horrendous as it is, but they'll continue killing things when they're out of the sea, like birds and anything that comes up to them can get trapped in them.
Yeah, and once they've finished their purpose, which is of course catching lobsters and
killing marine life.
Yeah, if they're discarded into the sea, they'll just continue, and the stuff will just not be able to get out either. So it'll just keep killing and killing.
They are awful. Really heavy. Unfortunately, obviously, it's not going to fit in that. So
we could try and
not much we can do.
Try and drag it up onto the grass so it's off out of the tide line. Yeah. But it's not great.
A lot of the time you find them like dug into the sand as well, so you can't even lift them out.
No, you can't.
And some people before burn the rope on them, which is probably a good idea. It gets rid of the rope anyway.
Yeah, it does. Probably drag it over there.
Had a couple of seals watching us do our job.
Cleaning up the ocean for them to have a happier life, we hope.
That's the thing, even if it looks like nothing's about, there's always some seals or anything like birds or some oyster catchers over there.
Yeah. Just
bobbing around, so yeah, it's always a risk to these guys. Even the ones you can't see, like the dolphins and whales and stuff, it affects these guys as well.
surprisingly not that much on this beach. We did come onto this beach expecting there to be quite a lot, given the fact that on our last beach clean on Creswick Bay there was loads, and we got 2 full bags and a bucket as well, and there was so much rope on that beach. I don't know whether this beach is maybe cleaned more regularly because it is right by people's houses, so maybe they, I don't know, maybe more people come down here and clean it than they do at Creswick. But even still, there's still quite a few bottles, like bottle caps, so yeah, a lot of human waste is still human, not human waste, well it is waste used by humans. Just get rid of that last bit.
How many bottles on this clean?
There's loads of bottles. Last time it was all rope and this time it's all bottles. Find loads in all this seaweed, don't you? It all just gets washed up with the tide.
So weigh the bag down nicely.
Oh, it's a big one. It's quite heavy now.
For scale. As big as Charlotte.
As long as me.
Oh.
Grab it. Oh. Double team. Oh.
We got a wild one.
It's like a tyre or something. Bag's getting heavy now. I said it wasn't very full before, but it is now.
Up, it's still definitely worth doing because
yeah,
you probably can't see in there, so it's too dark, but
there's quite a lot in there. It's quite heavy and it's surprising because you don't think there's much on here, but there definitely is. It's surprising how much you find once you get your eye in as well. You start noticing stuff that you didn't notice before once you start looking for it.
New belt for Charlotte. She hasn't got any trousers on to put it on.
I have got trousers on. I have got shorts on, just might not look like it. I have actually got some on. decent bag full, which is pretty good. So yeah, hopefully this video has inspired you to go and do your own beach clean or park clean wherever is closest for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
A bit.